Hello everyone, this is Rocky for my origami tutorial. The demo, I guess. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Today, we're going to demo for a new design my origami JK origami set fireworks flasher. And it's kinda almost complex model. I use sheet of cartolina paper. So I use 24 to 24 square grid and 60 64. Well, I don't need diagonal grids, but maybe the diagonal grids I use. Maybe there's time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Gosh, this is how to do that. So I'm thinking it looks like there's a grid. I don't use a 64 bit so diagonal grid. So I'm just gonna do this just like so. Well, never mind then. So thanks for watching. Well, I'll see you soon then, guys. Bye.